Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY protein treatment or hair mask, so stay tuned to the video if you want to see how I got this look or achieved this hair mask. So for this protein treatment you're going to need some mayonnaise. I used about 3 tablespoons. It's not really a tablespoon, but 3 tablespoons of that, and some coconut oil. I used 3 teaspoons of that, and some olive oil. I used some extra virgin olive oil. I used 3 teaspoons of that as well. I added that to the mixture, and then I used 1 egg. So the container I was using was a bit too small, so I had to change that to a plate. But this is how the mixture looks like while you're mixing it. Just mix it until it's very consistent. The mixture is a bit runny, so you have to be very careful with it. It's not thick at all. So yeah, just mix it. So here my hair is sectioned into 4 parts. I'm about to put the mixture in. As you can see, it's very runny, so you need something maybe on the floor. It's a very messy mixture, but I would also advise that you make your hair a bit damp, because yeah, my hair was super dry. You should just add some water to it so that it's easier. But I'm applying the mixture and running it through my hair, just trying to detangle it so that when I go through it with a comb, no hair breaks and everything. So I'm just detangling it with my fingers and adding more and more of the mixture to it. Guys, finger detangling helps so much, especially if you keep adding the mixture to your hair. It makes the knots very loose and you can just manage it easier rather than putting a comb through it first, because you can't really feel the knots and you can't treat them properly. This also helps to retain length and it helps grow your hair. So this is how it looks like after you've applied the mixture. This is just the section at the back that I'm showing you guys. There's a lot of definition. My hair is very curly and it was feeling really nice. So yeah, and that is the front as well. This is how my hair looks on the one side before the treatment. It looks it was after a while, so yeah. And then that's the other side. I was trying to show you guys the back, but my camera wasn't high enough, I guess. But this is how my hair looked like. And it was moving, it was doing all the nice things. So this treatment really works, guys. So yes guys, that's how it looked. Yes. Anyways, put a plastic over it and keep it in for about an hour or 2. I had it in for a while. So this is me removing the plastic after a while. I don't know why I like combing it through, but yeah, I was just doing that, combing through my hair, feeling for knots, and just yeah. So here I had just finished washing my hair. I had washed out the treatment and I'm sectioning my hair into the 4 parts again and twisting them so that I can work on each section separately. Here I'm just adding this coconut oil and olive oil mixture to my hair so that I can seal in all the moisture that comes with the water, and it also makes your hair really soft when your hair is dry actually. So yeah, and so I'm just adding that and making sure I put it on my scalp and all over my hair, and that each strand, not each strand, but yeah, everything is covered. After combing it through, I put it back in a twist and work on the other sections. This is me taking down all of the sections after I've oiled them. So I'm just taking it down and then fluffing my hair just into a mini afro to show you guys how it looks like afterwards. So I fluffed it out into this mini little afro and it felt really smooth and very soft. I really like this protein treatment, and yeah, I tied it into a bun so that it could dry. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.